Hi, I'm Casey with Street Talk. Did you know that the City of Garland Street Department doesn't just work on streets, but they also work on alleys? Across the city, alleys needing repair are evaluated, and those that warrant repair and/or reconstruction are scheduled for work. If your alley is scheduled for construction, you'll be notified by letter about 2 weeks before work is scheduled to begin. You will need to remove your vehicles from the driveway and park on the street. Also, your trash and recycling bins must be placed on the front curb for EWS to collect. Once barricades are placed, no traffic will be allowed in or out of the alley until work is completed. If your alley is scheduled for replacement, utilities will be replaced or relocated if necessary. Typically, the pavement on your driveway approach is removed up to your property line. The alley base is prepped, forms are placed, and about 8 inches of concrete is poured and shaped with an invert in the center to allow water to drain. Because so much work needs to be done, the city often uses approved contractors to construct some of the other projects. Even though the concrete might look dry to you, it takes about 7 days for it to cure before vehicles can drive on it. It's important because pavement could be damaged if it doesn't attain the proper strength before heavy equipment like the city's EWS trucks use it. Typically, the entire process takes about 4 weeks, weather permitting, but each job is different with its own special construction circumstances. Each project has a designated field supervisor who can answer questions and address concerns before, during, and after construction. Since the City Council has increased the department's funding, we've worked on 10 lane miles of alleys, and we've got a lot more work to do. The city is investing over $28 million on street and alley repair and reconstruction projects. Want to keep up with the latest work underway by Garland Street Department? Sign up for Street Talk, our monthly e-newsletter at street.garlandtx.gov. And for Street Talk, I'm Casey Castro.